Well, I roll on down to Sharky's, just past that county line, where the beer is cold and the jukebox don't play no modern wine. But tonight ain't no jukebox, no sir, we got something grand. It's that Shotgun classic rock band, best damn sound in the land. Oh, it's a good time for all, the floor shaking wood, Mark and Ned on the guitars, Lord, they sound so good. From the Old Man Brothers to some deep down Delta grooves, you'll lose your shoes dancing to those shotgun blues. Brian's laying down that rhythm and Eric's got the beat. You feel it in your bones, right down to your feet. The harmonies are singing like thunder through the trees, two guitars wailing sweet like a southern summer breeze. Yeah, it's a good time for all. Sharky's got that thrill, with great food, strong drinks and blues that give you chills. 70s classics rolling in smooth like old tattoos. You'll remember the night you danced to them shotgun blues. From Skinner to Stevie Ray, they tear through every song. You blink and it's midnight, but they're still playing strong. No cover charge for the soul you're about to find, just a packed dance floor and peace of mind. Oh yeah. Oh, it's a good time for all. Can't get no better feel. You ain't lived till you've heard of Mark, Ned, Brian, and Eric all real. Raise a glass, tap your boots, let the music light your fuse. Down at Sharky's Bar and Grill with them shotgun blues. Yeah, Sharky's is the place. Tell your heart, tell your shoes, we're living loud and free with them shotgun blues.